Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a small but useful reward from Welcome to FC Mobile campaign. And I made this video is for a beginner or new into this game that's still confused about this game, because previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's become EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So it's renew or like mass update. There are some new feature that you can find in this EA Sport FC Mobile 24. For example, the first campaign of this season is Welcome to FC Mobile. So just tap it, this live event, Welcome to FC Mobile, and as you can see there are some feature here like special gift. You can get this or you can unlock after reaching level 12. New challengers like puzzle, collect all puzzle. New teams, you have to save this welcome point to get some player, and also new goals like a milestone. You have to save this start point. But what I want to show you is this one, the kick-off feature. So you can go to or play this campaign, kick-off campaign, every day and get the rewards also every day. Just tap this one, kick off, and you can get some coin, 5000 coin, and you can unlock match. Tap it for free, tap to open, and this is the kickoff pack. So you have to face these 4 team. For each team you can get guaranteed reward 10 welcome point, and also this one daily target, you can get guaranteed rewards coin and mixed version player. So if you get lucky, you can get this Eusebio or Garincha. So play this feature every day. Welcome to FC Mobile Kickoff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.